Come with me, sir.
Please don't do that again. Take me to jail. Do whatever you want. Just don't hurt me with that bird. Where is it? The golden gun. Where is it? Yes, the golden gun. It's a value of $1 million. I will sell this and I will be rich.
Meanwhile, at the police traffic stop. Excuse me, sir.
No.
May I ask you a few questions?
Why, sure.
Alright, have you seen a very bad guy who stole a golden weapon?
You know,
No! I have an Angry Bird! You freeze! Mission accomplished! Stay down! What is this? Get up! Get up! Your head on your back!
The head! No! Unfair! No! David, no! No! Stop! I got that golden gun! That golden gun! I have it! Yes!
Not so long, sucker! I got the Angry Bird!
It won't work!
Yes, it will! Put your hands up! I'm Mr. Turner, shoots rifle loading.
Now I've finally stolen my weapon. You can bring these back to the boss and we will finally win the Angry Birds war. Now see that cop? I could just destroy him right now. I don't even care.
Stop!
I'm
Give me the
not
weapon!
gonna stop at all. You can't tell me what to do.
Your hands up! Get up! Get up!
Mama's not gonna be happy about this. I gotta tell the rest of the gang.
This way! This way!
This is the Angry Bird boss leader. As you can see, the officer is asleep. If I can take him out, then my gang will finally win the war. I'm the only person left. And I now will show you my terrific force. Nothing can take it down. Not even the sleeping Angry Bird cop. I will have to perform a mission that will kill him so I can again win the Angry Bird war. I'm going to be very happy.
Where am I? What? The gang leader?
No!
I must attack him!
That Angry Bird can't defeat me. I will win the war and I will destroy you.
Angry Bird! Attack! No! Angry Bird! No! Our fort is coming down!
I will win the war now. That will not work.
Gang leader, you will go down!
No! I have lost the war. I have lost the war.
We have won! The Angry Bird won! We are victorious! Now where's my little angry friend? We won, sir. Now it's time to go home.